Welcome to Kiss Crazy, and today we're going to be doing a challenge, which is 2-liter soda in 10 minutes. Who could drink it first? I can't see you.
I'm being prepared to get shot at. They know I'm here. I'll
Do
show
they?
my face.
Okay,
Okay,
ready,
sure.
set, go. You can't. It burns. I'm already struggling. Is that me?
That's Sabrina.
I don't want the same mistake as last time. So I have
Oh
a cup with me.
bro!
Remember, we're recording.
I spilled it all over my shirt, and now I'm a hot mess. This is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Nice.
I didn't know we're doing this video. I just took a shower too, and then I spilled some already on me. Ew, it smells in here.
Open a window or something.
Please.
It's so hot.
Jeez. Oh my god, why does that smell so good?
Who's almost done?
Sheila, probably.
Oh, I don't like Sprite.
Oh.
Oh my god. This is way harder than I thought.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing's coming out of me. Just give me a second. It's coming. I feel something.
Oh my gosh, she was winning.
Good lord.
What are you chasing with?
What? What?
I said, what are you chasing with?
What do you mean?
You drink one and then you drink another?
No, that's
No.
one for her puking.
Yeah, if anything comes up, it's like a bucket.
Oh god.
But nothing's come up, so.
Bro, barely anything.
Sorry. Oh, shit.
That's not gonna happen.
Oh, there it was. Whew, that was in my chest.
I feel like nothing is happening. I'm not drinking barely anything.
Yeah. Now it feels like nothing's happening. I'm not even halfway done.
Oh my god, I could almost not breathe. Come on, Ice. You could do it.
I've been jugging this thing down and nothing. Actually,
I'm gonna throw up. Whoa.
Yeah. Why do I feel like someone's gonna shoot at me?
mine burps take a while. They're not like as fast.
She's done? She won. Did you throw up at all? Oh god.
Nothing.
Oh my god, Shula did it.
Cool.
That's it. Source is almost done. Can you do it?
You
gotta finish.
I don't know. Now I'm tired.
I have faith. I have faith.
That sounds annoying. Ew.
I'm just getting so fucking full. Oh, sorry, PG-13. I'm getting so full. I'm so sleepy. So this is making it worse.
Well, I guess I know what I'm having for drink dinner.
Mm-hmm. What? She farted.
Isis. You hear that honk?
How much time is it?
10 minutes.
Her alarm hasn't gone off yet.
We got 2 more minutes.
I don't know if I can finish this in 2 minutes.
I'm not gonna get even close, so
Oh
y'all
my
are
God.
winning. I'm gonna be the last one.
I'm gonna explode.
I'm not gonna kill myself. Just
I don't
drink
think
a
I'm
bottle
gonna
of
eat.
water.
Diabetes! Oh, God.
Stop. Is it gone? Oh my gosh, she did it. They both did it.
Mom's next. Have fun.
Me and Isis backed out. I forfeit. She
Because
forfeits.
this soda's not doing anything for me.
The Luchembe sisters won it.
Was that it for a video?
With how many minutes to spare?
1 minute. She was
1
about
minute.
like 3 minutes or 4 minutes.
1 minute to spare.
I don't know.
Yeah, I was like 3.5 minutes in.
Oh my god, they look so bad. Okay, this is Kiss Crazy.
Oh my God.
We did the challenge. I lost. They won.
What we get? What we get?
You can do the next mukbang video first.
Okay.
That means you get to choose the restaurant you want.
Okay.
And like, share, subscribe, and comment. You want us to do something else? Obviously, we'll do it. Bye.
Oh, shit.